Recent fire destroyed a North Georgia business, ruining thousands of dollars in lawn and garden equipment, including items in for repair.
One customer whose lawn trimmer was destroyed called us asking if the business would have to pay for his lost equipment. That's the answer we set out to find. That fire back in May at Skyline Power Equipment destroyed thousands of dollars in lawnmowers and other yard equipment, plus many items brought in for repair. One item being repaired, Jim Guy's grass trimmer.
I think the carburetor and the pull was messing up a little bit.
After the big fire, Guy and his wife tried to contact Mike Kearney, Skyline's owner. He told us he'd been digging into the debris, looking for equipment that might have survived the fire.
If they happen to find my weed eater, I'd like to have it back.
Unfortunately, it was never found. Mr. Guy was faced with a choice: pay for a new grass trimmer or file a claim on his homeowner's insurance, which he says would not have been worth it.
If my insurance should cover it, I have to pay a $500 deductible.
So why didn't the business cover his lost property? Georgia's insurance commissioner says it would have if the business had what's called Bailey's insurance. Commissioner Ralph Hudgens says when you take any item in, ask if the business carries it.
This would cover that property if there's some disaster, whether it be a fire, an earthquake, the building collapses, somebody stole it.
Skyline owner Mike Kearney says he did not have Bailey's insurance, but he told us over the phone he did give Guy $100 as a gesture of good faith for his lost trimmer. Ultimately, Jim Guy did have to buy another one. He says next time he'll ask about Bailey's insurance.
My insurance should never have nothing to do with it. I figure it'll be their insurance.
Now, both Georgia and Tennessee state law allow for Bailey's insurance.
Commissioner Hudgens says businesses that carry the extra coverage might pass that extra cost along to customers, but there's nothing wrong with having the peace of mind to know that your item is covered if something happens.